Hi, welcome to Foodie. We're gonna make a quick, easy dessert today. It's gonna be another one of these 2-ingredient desserts. I did one a few months ago, I think, that had chocolate and banana. This one we're gonna use chocolate and applesauce. No bake, no flour. It's going to be lower in carbs, not necessarily low carbs. This time we're going to use 70% cocoa. The last one we did with the banana had, I think it was 85%. I liked it. I like the dark chocolate. We're going to use 70% this time. I think it's going to be a little sweeter, smoother, and maybe a little better tasting, more like a milk chocolate instead of the dark chocolate. And I get my dark chocolate HEB. It's only like $2 for a 3.5 ounce bar. If you get the main well-known brands are like $4 or $5 a bar. This is only $2, so it's really good deal. All right, so let's get started on our 2-ingredient dessert. And the last dessert I made, I did the chocolate over a double boiler. I'm gonna just put this in a microwave this time and we'll see how it turns out. And this chocolate, each package you buy has 2 bars in it. So we're gonna use 2 total packages, which will be 4 bars. That's 15 ounces. I'm sorry, 14 ounces. So to get these to melt quicker, we'll break these up into the individual pieces. So there's our 14 ounces of chocolate. I'm gonna put this in a microwave, maybe 30, 40 seconds at a time, stir it up and keep it going in there until it gets totally melted. While our chocolate's melting, let's go ahead and put in some cooking spray in our dish. So I put that in there like 30 seconds at a time for 2 minutes, and then I just let it sit and let the rest of it melt, and this bowl really got hot. So I think I'd almost rather do a double boiler. But okay, everything's totally melted, very smooth. Now all we do is add in 1 cup of applesauce, and I'm using cinnamon applesauce. I thought that would be a really nice extra little flavor. So this has no high fructose corn syrup. It's not necessarily, no sugar or light sugar. But I did do a quick calculation. I think I'm going to get about 12 pieces in here. And so with the applesauce and the chocolate, total carbs divided by 12, it comes out to about 12 carbs per serving. That's not too bad for a little cheating on your carb diet. All right, let's put in our applesauce. And that's still hot. Maybe I should have used a glass bowl instead of plastic. Yeah, actually, I think the sweetness of the sugar and that cinnamon and dark chocolate's always good. But I think the 70%, I'll probably like it a little bit better. Now, if I'm going to be making it a lot, I'll use the 85% just to cut down on my carb intake. And again, this is going to be a pretty dense, I wouldn't even call it a cake or a pie. It's going to be like a mousse almost. All right, that's it. Let's go ahead and see if I can pick this up yet. Spread evenly. Let's taste this just for the heck of it and see. That's nice. Pretty simple. That's it. We're going to cover it. Yeah, I'm going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator for at least a few hours. I'll probably wait till overnight and we can have this tomorrow. Then we'll taste it and see what it's, how good it is. All right, it's been in the refrigerator overnight. We said we're going to try to put this into 12 pieces. Put a couple of berries on here. Add a little sprig of mint, a couple berries. All right, let's try this. I'll take one of the berries with it. Now to get the 12 pieces, they might be a little bit small, but this is so rich. I don't know if you want any more than that. Actually, I like that blackberry in there. It really makes it taste good. A little bit of that mint. Nice. And like I said, it's about 12 carbs per piece, so that's not too bad for a rich, decadent dessert. I actually think I like this a little bit better than the one I made with the banana, because the less amount of percentage of cocoa in it. And I think the applesauce is probably a little sweeter than the banana. So yeah, I like the applesauce. A little taste of cinnamon in there. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.